Once upon a time, in a quiet village nestled at the edge of a mystical forest, lived an imaginative 11-year-old boy named Samuel. Samuel's days were filled with wonder as he explored the lush woods, his mind always buzzing with thoughts of hidden treasures and fantastical creatures. One fateful day, while Samuel was venturing deeper into the heart of the forest, he stumbled upon a peculiar stone hidden beneath a bed of wildflowers. The stone shimmered with an ethereal glow, drawing Samuel closer with an irresistible allure. Curiosity tugging at his heart, he reached out and gently touched its smooth surface. In an instant, the air crackled with energy, and the forest seemed to come alive. Before Samuel's astonished eyes, the stone transformed into a magnificent portal, a swirling vortex of vibrant colors and sparkling lights. It was a portal to a world beyond his wildest dreams. Without a moment's hesitation, Samuel bravely stepped through the portal and found himself transported to a land of enchantment. The air hummed with magic, and the landscape was unlike anything he had ever seen before. Towering trees whispered secrets, and shimmering waterfalls cascaded down crystal-clear streams. As Samuel explored the fantastical realm, he encountered extraordinary beings. Graceful unicorns frolicked in meadows of iridescent flowers, mischievous fairies darted through the air with wings aglow, and wise old wizards shared their ancient knowledge.